In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or a beginner, managing attachments seamlessly can enhance your communication significantly. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to log in or sign up for your HubSpot account. If you've already got an account, just use your usual credentials to log in. And if you're new to HubSpot, you'll want to sign up and set things up initially. From there, once you're all signed in and ready, navigate over to the Contacts section within your HubSpot account. You'll want to look for the Contacts tab. This tab is where all your contact information is stored, allowing you to manage your communications conveniently. Next, you'll see a list of contacts. Here, it's time to choose the specific contact you want to email. Simply click on the contact's name, and it will take you to their contact record. It's like pulling up a digital file on that particular person, containing all interactions and communications you've had with them. Once you've got that contact record open, you'll need to find the Email tab. This is usually located at the top of the contact record page. Click on it to start drafting your email. Now, on to the fun part, drafting your message. Feel free to write your email just as you would normally. Be clear and to the point, so the essence of your message reaches the recipient effectively. Now, attaching a file. You'll want to locate the attachment icon. It usually resembles a paperclip or something similar, so once you spot it, go ahead and click on that icon. This is going to open a window that presents you with two options: upload a new file, or select an existing one from your HubSpot file manager. Let's talk about uploading a file first. If you have a new file on your computer that you wish to send, click on the Upload a File option. Follow the instructions to locate and select the file you want to attach. On the other hand, if you've previously uploaded the file to HubSpot, you can easily choose the Choose Existing File option. This lets you browse through the files you've already uploaded into the HubSpot file manager. Once you've decided whether to upload a new file or select an existing one, it's crucial to select the file. Just make sure you choose the correct file and verify it appears as intended in the attachment section of your email draft. After ensuring everything is in place, including reviewing your email for clarity and the attachment for appropriateness, you're all set to send it off. So, go on and hit that send button. You've successfully added an attachment to your HubSpot email, and your message is on its way. That wraps up our quick tutorial today. I hope you found this video helpful and you're now more confident in managing attachments within HubSpot emails. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.